Hi guys, so I'm going to be posting like really short reviews here on YouTube, and I'm going to be posting 30-second reels as well on Instagram, talking a little less about the products that I'm going to review but detailed reviews over here. Now I have reviewed 4 blushes on my reels already, but I did not film the YouTube content for it. So I'm going to be starting with concealer reviews, and who better to review concealers than moi, because these dark circles are hard to conceal, like hard to conceal, and you're hearing it from a makeup artist, so like you can understand. I'm going to be starting with my favorite concealer review, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. And this is my favorite because it works as a very good foundation for me as well, and it works really well to conceal my dark circles. Let me apply the concealer on one side of my eye with the color corrector beneath it, and on the other eye without the color corrector, so you can see how the concealer works without the color corrector. So let's start. So I've applied the color corrector on this side of my eye, and let's talk about the applicator of the concealer first. So as you can see, it's like a sponge applicator, and you just have to like rotate it to get the concealer on the sponge, and you just have to apply it directly like this. According to the new trend going on, just like lift the concealer from here so that your eyes look lifted. And on this side I have no color corrector, as you can see, so I'm just gonna apply it. And the reason why I apply so much is because my under eyes need it. Let's just face the truth. So that's why. So the sponge applicator makes it really easy to like apply the concealer, because you don't need a brush or anything. You can just like dab it. So that is one really convenient thing about the concealer. And this retails for $6.20, which is I guess a very reasonable price for a concealer, which is as good as those high-end concealers out there. Coverage wise, you can see it gives like really nice even coverage, and this color also suits me. If I just want to apply the concealer just for the sake of, you know, applying the concealer, it works good enough for me. And when I want to use it as a foundation, then also it works good enough for me. So because I want to show you guys how it works as a very good foundation, I'm going to apply it all over my face, and then I'm going to blend it, and I'm going to show you how it looks amazing as a foundation as well. So I'll be back. So I've blended out the concealer on my entire face, and as you can see, it performs as a very good foundation as well. It's very high coverage, and it's needless to say it's travel friendly. Now let's talk about the coverage on my dark circles. So as you can see, you can't really say that I had applied a color corrector underneath over here, because both the sides it looks almost exactly the same. So that is another thing that I love about the concealer. Now this is in the color 130 medium. So I just checked the shelf life. It's 36 months, which is another great aspect of the concealer. So I would definitely recommend you to buy this concealer and not waste your money on any other concealer. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys that I just powdered this side of my face, and you can see that just by powdering it covers my dark circles to a greater extent, because you can see the difference over here and here. And you can see that dark circles on this side of my eye is completely covered. Just for your information, I used the Fit Me Loose Powder by Maybelline. So as you can see, the makeup is all complete, and that was my review for the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Stay tuned for more reviews, because I'm looking forward to post reviews on a daily basis, because these are short. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.